guys, Ninjacraft here, and today I'm gonna be cubing the competition I'm going to, Rally in the Valley. I have four of my friends are going there. So there's gonna be three of my friends are going there. So yeah, I'm really excited for the competition. It's August 2nd, 100-person limit. Hopefully you guys who are watching can join. Hopefully, I have a stuffed animal that I won from a arcade game thingy. And hopefully that will give me good times today. I'm not going to bring it to the competition, of course, so yeah. And by the way, guys, if you comment down below, these are the magical words, okay? I like trains, XOF 19, okay? If you comment down those words, like any of one of you, like sometime these 3 days, then I will make a triple day upload sometime, okay, I promise. Okay, if I don't, well then I'll do a special challenge to make up for it. But yeah, that's only if you said what I just said. I already forgot, but yeah, if you say those words, then I will get a triple upload. Actually, no. I'll come up with something for you guys. So forget what I said just now. I'll come up with something at the end of the video. So just do the first solve. Lucky Charm. This guy. Yeah, hopefully he's gonna give me good times today. Oh my gosh. Okay, 11.10 seconds. Okay. This is first time giving some luck, so he's a newbie at it, but soon we'll get better and better. Okay, so let's scramble this thing. So I'm really excited for the competition, but still a long time. And let's go. Oh my gosh. How could this happen to me? 13.34. That's just so sad. Like, how? Charmander. I'm thinking about it. I mean, are you bad luck? I don't know. Maybe you are. Maybe you aren't. Okay. $10.37. I got distracted. So, yeah. You know what? Forget the 2x2. Hopefully I can get lucky in the competition with 2x2, but not 3x3. I've been doing great times on my 3x3, yeah. I applied lube on it. I bought some lube, and it's really good. But I'm going to save up until the competition. Oh my gosh, so slow now. Okay, 36.17. I so don't want that in my competition. Like, I want something like a 29 average, you know? But I should be able to do that. You know what? Charmander, if I get a solve under 35 seconds, you can stay, okay? So, yeah. Okay, let's see. Help. Okay. Charmander, you can stay. 25.69, okay? That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Boom bow. Boom bow. Boom bow. Okay. So now I'm gonna do Pyraminx. I don't know where my cube is. But yeah. So I'm gonna do Pyraminx now. So let's do it. Inspection. No. Yes. Okay. It's a bit better. Okay. 16.63. Charmander. Yeah. The cut. So, one of my friends are doing everything except for blind, and I'm not sure what my other two friends are doing. But yeah. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Gosh, this is the worst of luck. Seriously, I need a. Bruh, like seriously. Oh my gosh. 24.20. Not too bad. Okay, let's try out 2x2 again. This can't happen to me again, guys. I mean, then I'm doomed for the competition. Oh. Last competition I got an average of 6 seconds, but now I got an average of 11. I know, I got a time of 11.28, so yeah, sad, really sad. Okay, come on, don't give up so that easily. Okay. $9.46. Thankfully, it's under 10. Okay, let's see. Oh my god. Yes! 8.03. Okay, so I'm going to write down the code, and hopefully you guys can copy it. So, yeah, copy it down on a piece of paper, and if you write everything I write correctly, 3 videos in 1 day, okay? Like, you have a week to do it. Like, seriously, it's not that hard. Okay? So yeah, let's go. So I'm gonna write down the code right. Okay guys, so here is the code. It's pretty simple. Okay, so Bruh. Okay, I'll just read it, okay? It's 3. You know what? I'll try it again. Okay, I am back, and I did not probably make a mistake. So it's 3. No, it's 31. PN. 4 luck. 7 good. 4 N. Okay? That's the code. Type this. Exactly this. No spaces. Then I will get... I mean, it doesn't really care if there's space. I don't really care if there's spaces or capital. But just write that down. See you guys next time. Goodbye. Remember, this is for 3 spaces, not 3 videos. Bye.